Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. This is a tutorial for GeoGebra, which is a very important teaching tool for math teachers. So today we'll learn how to mark the points, rather it is random points using sliders. I know I also have experienced that children when they first taught about this point marking point, some students, not all, they feel difficulties. So I have already shared one method, taking the random integers. So today we'll use slider so that you can have also practice for the sliders. Let's go. So this is my new page. I need an input bar here because I will give the command to plot the point. So I'll go to home, there I'll find the view, then input bar. So you can bottom, you can see this input bar, a blank horizontal space. But sometimes in this by default it shows the input bar. If it is not visible, then you will go to view and you will check it. Next, here there are two coordinates x and y, but x is taken by GeoGebra as a function. So when I'll give the x is equal to something, it will show some error, or it will draw a line, horizontal, a vertical line. So it's better to take small a and small b as x coordinate and y coordinate. So first I'm making a slider for x coordinate, and this is the box, small box you have to click, then click on slider and click on the screen. So immediately you will see that a is 1 and it is number, and here interval is given -5 to +5. Here if it is a number, the increment you can take easily, it is 1 because I am showing the graph. That means this value will increase from -5 to up to 5. So I'll click on OK. So just see, this is a slider. If you will move it, it is changing the value of A. Next I'll go for the second coordinate, so second slider. This is B. Here also -5 to +5. You can change here, you can make 6, you can make 8, 10, whatever it may be. Increment I have given 1. So the point, this B is the slider. Then making the point. So for point, the command is capital A or B or whatever it be, but equals to, within common bracket you will write these two values, small a and small b. So immediately see there is a point here, A, whose coordinate is 4, 1. Here you can find A is 4, B is 1. So the point is 4, 1. So here I am taking this point and I am going to setting to change little bit, format little bit, that I am taking the name as name and value so that it will show the coordinate, and I am taking the style, I am making a little bold, bigger one. This I am taking this bold one, and color I am taking red in color. Let's see how it is changed. So this is A equals to 4, 1. So now our job is finished, only to show the children. What's it? First I'll make A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. Let's see. A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. See, where is the point? This is origin. Next I'll go for B is 0. I am changing A now. Okay. So A I am changing. Just see, when B is 0, the point is on x-axis. You can show to the children that it is on x-axis. They have the concrete idea. Similarly, when A is 0, I'll change B. Because B is changing, that means B is on your vertical axis or y axis. So one job is complete. Then B is 0. I'm making B is 0 and A changing, B is also changing. Or keeping one A fixed, I can change it B, B, B. You can take a bigger interval. I have taken small interval so that it will be visible. So like this. Similarly, A is changing. So we'll get different points at different randomly. You will get all the points so that the children will have a clear idea about this point plotting or reading the point. So let's play with this GeoGebra. Let's learn another new tool, that is animation tool. So what's it? I'm going to this slider, and for settings, for the slider setting, you see one is animation on. That means it will do automatically. Here I was sliding on this, but when I click on this animation on, the A will change its value from time to time. And let us do for B also. Animation on, click on animation on, so that it will go on increasing and decreasing the values. So it will show you the different points on the screen. And this animation also you can hide. That means this two bar you can hide to make the screen slightly clearer. We can go this show label, show object, all I'll hide. The see, I hide it. It was hidden. So let's see how this point is moving. And here I have given the speed is 2. It can be increased or it can be decreased. See, if I'll give this speed is 1. See, it is becoming slow by, and to stop this animation, you can click here. So it will stop. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for learning. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing my channel.